Okay, here we are at Tiger Run RV Resort. It's a really huge place and very expensive because the location is just fantastic. It's in between Breckenridge and Frisco. So Breckenridge is like 7 minutes away. Frisco is like 7 minutes away. Silverthorne is right down the road. Vail is half an hour. Absolutely gorgeous, and it's open year round. Now then, the RV sites are stellar, and they've got a couple pull-throughs. Those aren't the good ones though. You want the back end ones that have like a pavilion, a little storage shed. Some of them have fire pits because these are all individually owned. So I don't think the resort owns any of these. These are individually owned and they are expensive. So for example, the pull-through site with nothing on it, I think it was like $330,000. Then if you want one of the really good sites, you're talking about $500,000 for a pad of concrete and a picnic table. So I mean, it is high dollar here, and again, it's only because of the location. Beautiful location. Their facilities a little bit run down. I mean, not terrible. So this is the main facility right here. It's got a fitness center, it's got your bathrooms, an indoor swimming pool. It also has a game room, laundry facilities. And like I said, I mean, it's not terrible, but again, it's showing some age. They've got a pavilion that I guess during the summer hosts all kinds of events, tennis courts, pickleball courts. So as far as activities, this is fantastic. Now, a lot of the areas are off limits for dogs. This is one of them that Roxy's taking advantage of right now. That is available for dogs. And it's a pretty big area. And so, but they like to keep the dogs off the grass throughout the park. But here you can pretty much have your way with the dogs here. Okay, so let's talk price. Pricing is expensive. When we first got here, it was the end of September and it was still high season. $130 a night for our basic site. We got the lowest price site, which was a pull through. It did have a little picnic table on it, but then we moved, well, once October 1st hit, then that price started, which is the fall price, which was $80 a night. And we got this beautiful site that we have now. And then in the winter, it goes back up because a lot of people camp here, RV here, because of all of the ski resorts. Breckenridge, Vail, Copper Mountain, Keystone, they are all just right here. It's expensive, but overall I think it's worth it. What I love about it, all paved roads, all concrete pads, very level. They have heated water, all the good stuff. So you can't go wrong here at Tiger Run. Okay, so this is the perfect time to talk about my Blue Tech water filter that has replaced our Berkey inside. So it's basically like having a Berkey on the outside. Let me show you how it hooks up. So I just got the 2 filter. There is a 3 filter, but as you can see, it is really well made. Of course, your filters are in here. This is your 0.02 micron, your Tasty filter. And for me, that was enough. And they come with these handy dandy quick release. And of course, these are my air gear hoses. That's a 50 foot. This is a 25 foot. I'm probably going to get another 25 foot because the 50 foot is too much to handle generally. And, oh no, this is sitting right on the sewer pipe. Not good. Anyway, have that as an emergency backup if I need longer. Forgive me if I'm breathing hard. We're at 9,200 feet here at Tiger Run. But anyway, let me hook it up. And it is an absolutely perfect solution to not having to worry about filtered water in your Airstream. Just like that. I guess this is one of those times that this 50 footer is coming in handy. Just like that. Wonderful filtered water. All right, there's our setup. Water and power is hooked up. The dogs seem to be happy in their new place. Janet is getting our cooker ready. And look at us, we've got heaters up there. The lights are blinking in the video, but not in reality. So this is fantastic. $80 a night in October. Come in the summer, this is probably more like $130, $150 a night. Well, I've got a fellow leisure travel van owner there. Looks like a leisure travel van Unity MB. If that's your leisure travel van here at Tiger Run, put in the comments down below. Now, the big surprise of a park of this caliber at this price is how bad their dog park is. I mean, it's really nothing. It's pretty small. You know, at least they can't really get out anywhere. I have seen that at other RV parks before. But this is as no frills as it gets. There's a little bench that Janet's on there. Otherwise, it's a pretty terrible dog park. Oh, Gracie, no! All right, Tiger Run RV Resort between Breckenridge and Frisco, Colorado. Super easy to get off, just a couple miles down from I-70. We came up from Creed, Pagosa area. That was an easy drive as well, about 2.5 hours. Fantastic place, can't recommend it enough. Tiger Run RV Resort. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, you like RVs, you like Airstreams, leisure travel vans, gear gadgets, or like today, RV park reviews, then hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Give me the old thumbs up as well. Appreciate all of that. But with that being said, we will see you next time.